This is the before. I think we're gonna take off these boards so we can lay this in. Here's the dilemma. Okay, so I got this rabbit hutch off of Facebook Marketplace for free. I just had to go and pick it up. However, as you could probably see, a lot of this wood is kind of rotten. Here, let me just show you. And it looks like somebody had like a chew fest on it. Anyway, so we were contemplating on rebuilding it. Well, we were gonna have to rebuild at least part of it, you know, as you saw. But anyway, so I'm just kind of giving you a little before action. Grief, it's hot. Head is leaking.
So on the top, I didn't think so. I could think probably on it.
It'd have to be, it wouldn't be wide enough.
It'd have to be short strips.
Yeah, and then you'd have to put like a little brace, something.
So we'll probably need to get another treated board. We got one for here, one for there. We need one at the bottom. I don't know if you want to do the edges or not.
Hey, well, as you probably saw from the last video, that we have to go and make a Home Depot run for another roll of a hardware cloth, 3 foot, and some pressure treated 1x3s or 2x4s or something. I don't even know. But anyway, so we gotta go there. Anyway, I don't know about this situation here.
Jasper, come here. How did you get over there?
Oh. Jasper got out. Hey, come here, fancy pants. What are you doing? Did Did you get out? Yeah, you and your ball. I know. All right, so we moved the rabbit hutch out to the yard because we're going to power wash it. So, that's the back, by the way. So, we added all the wood, as you know. That door is still kind of janky, but it might have to just work for right now. What is going on, bird? What is it, Blue Jay? I know, it's something new in the yard. Holy macaronis.